Hi, this is Mac Church with Atlantic Coast Mortgage, and this presentation is to help you build your career. And it will go over all of the different ways that Atlantic Coast Mortgage can help you obtain more clients and close more deals, which will then help you build your business. Atlantic Coast Mortgage is a local mortgage company based out of Fairfax, Virginia. We are a correspondent lender, which is kind of the best of both worlds, meaning that we're not a mortgage broker, but we have several investors that we can sell to. But when we go to closing, we actually lend the money for the client for obtaining their loan. So the company was started 10 years ago in 2011, and the main backer behind it was Gene Merrill, who is was the CEO of George Mason Mortgage. And he combined with three of the top producing loan officers in Northern Virginia at the time, which was Timur Tunador, who's our CEO, John Coy, who's the president of the company, and Patrick Collins, who is the COO. All of our underwriters and processors are based out of Fairfax or in satellite locations. And one of the best things about our company is that it's directed with the vision of loan originators, and that's because the three gentlemen at the top of the helm on the executive team, since they were all high-producing loan officers, we are run by that vision where they look into everything as a loan officer, and so they're able to make decisions with a lot of experience from coming from that background to sync with closing loans and doing everything we can to help clients purchase a home. So what do we offer? We offer all mortgage products with the exception of lot and land loans and second mortgages. So we refer those out to different partners, but we do participate in VHDA, the Virginia Housing First Time Home Buyer Program, USDA RD, conventional with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, FHA, VA. We do have construction loans and we do have renovation loans. We also participate in bridge loans, and then of course we have loans for self-employed borrowers. Our rates are extremely competitive, and we do have the ability to match competitors. So if we're in a quote-unquote shopping war between another lender and us, our executive team will do everything they can to at least match the rate of another lender. The only time they're not able to do that is if we're competing against one of those cutthroat online mortgage companies, which a lot of those you just can't compete. But for general mortgage companies, we are able to match. The company is set up with the best of the best in the area. We have very, very high support for community and community events. The company, we sponsor the Children's National Hospital, where we donate money to the hospital throughout the year. All loan officers contribute $25 per closing in their client's name, and then our company always matches that as well. So we donate usually anywhere between $100,000 to $150,000 to them. They also will support local charities, such as we're always the title sponsor of the Ask Foundation golf tournament that I put on every year. Really, really big on helping to grow realtors' careers by providing different platforms for you, different marketing, ways to initiate contact with clients, and also with putting in different kinds of marketing agreements with realtor shops like we have with United Premier. One of the best things that we also offer are mortgage coach presentations, which helps provide information for all different available loan options to different borrowers. And you will see on the next page an example of this. This is an example of a mortgage coach presentation that a buyer would receive, and it would have video and audio included with it. And on this particular example, it shows the difference between a 30-year fixed conforming loan next to a 30-year fixed FHA loan next to a Virginia Housing 100% financing conventional loan. And it shows you what the estimated payment would be, what the estimated cash to close would be, and what the monthly savings are for each different program. So this really helps buyers figure out what program works best for them so they can see what kind of money they'd need for a closing versus what their payment would be. So one of the things that makes us different during the transaction is the video emails and updates that we send. Buyers really love this. It's a form of personalization rather than just getting emails or texts. So we definitely send updates throughout the transaction on major milestones through video. Also to let you know, if I'm not available, then someone on my team is. So we have all teammates checking emails throughout the day and up till 9 o'clock every night and on weekends. So there's always somebody available for you. Every Wednesday, we update you and the listing agent on the loan's progress, and you're never in the dark about where you're at during the loan. We do make closings on time, about 99% of the time. Every once in a blue moon, we may miss one, but we have a really, really good record of hitting our closings on time. And the other good thing that we do during a transaction is if you have an appraisal that comes in low, we're really adept at writing appraisal appeals. We're about 75% success rate for getting appraisals overturned and the values increased. These are some different things that we do for the buyer after the loan has closed. Really, really cool stuff. I believe it's different than most other lenders. And one thing you'll notice is the 5-year co-branded marketing plan for each client with your co-branded information. So we're keeping you at the top of their mind. We do have these HomeBot mortgage presentations that's sent to them about every quarter, and it tells them what the market is looking like, if it's a good time to sell or buy a home, and really, again, keeps them abreast of what's going on. And once we hear from them, if they are interested, of course, we turn them back over to you, so that way you can work with them and close more deals. One of the things that we also do is when there's not COVID around, we do housewarming parties for clients. And of course, we make the realtor the guest of honor. And I go out and I do all the cooking and do all the organizing and the inviting of clients. So that way they can actually have an open house and be able to be with their clients and not have to worry about cooking and getting everything ready. So the clients love this, and it's a great way to build rapport and to build loyalty. And lastly, we refer clients to our VIP referral partners. We often get clients without realtor representation, so the realtors that are on our VIP program will be the ones that receive referrals from us.